Welcome to Lesson 12, and let's explore data types in standard SQL and how Postgres implements them. We'll start by understanding what data types are and why they matter. Then we'll explore numeric data types, including integers in various decimal options. We'll move on to text data types and how PostgreSQL handles them when they get large. We'll also cover temporal types, discussing Unix timestamps and time zones. Finally, we'll look at other important data types like booleans, JSON, and wrap up with type conversions and casting. Let's begin with the basics. Data types define the kind of information that can be stored in a database column. They are not just labels. They shape how the database manages, stores, and processes your data. At the most fundamental level, all data in a computer is stored as bits, binary digits that can be either 0 or 1. In case you think binary digits are complicated, let me tell you one thing, they are much simpler than decimal integers, unless you are dealing with floating points. Miss Lovelace is a fluffy smart cat who needs to tell her human flatmates things like the number of biscuits or the minimum litter box size she demands. Because humans are much less evolved than cats, her mates gave her a set of monochromatic lamps to communicate with her. Sorry about them, as they knew nothing about colorful LED lamps. Miss Lovelace taught them that switched off lamps mean 0, while switched on ones mean 1. So how can she communicate that she will go out tonight at 9 p.m? Well, she needs more lamps. She brought up a second lamp to the left of the first one and determined that the first lamp off and second on means number 2, and she can still switch both lamps on to represent the number 3. She now has 4 different combinations, from 0 to 3. You can now imagine that with a third lamp, there will be twice as many combinations, right? Giving her 4 numbers with this lamp off, and the same 4 numbers with this on. In other words, Miss Lovelace can represent 8 numbers from 0 to 7. It's still not quite there yet.